How to disable dynamic lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to your home screen or lock screen. If you're already on the lock screen, you can touch and hold. And then you can tap on Wallpapers at the top here to go to Wallpapers. And if you're on the home screen, then touch and hold. Then go down and tap on Wallpaper and Styles. And it will take you to the same page. Here, tap on the left hand side panel, which is the lock screen panel. Then tap on Wallpapers. Now in here, you want to select a default wallpaper if you want to turn off or disable lock screen. So select that. So this is the default wallpaper. Then tap on Done. Then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now go to your lock screen, and the dynamic lock screen has been removed. And that's it. You can see no longer do I get dynamic lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.